Max 3 that Danielle is talking about. This is, Danielle has been really finding a lot of these tower cams, actually traffic cameras. This, she says, is in Upson County
at Church Street.
The Walmart right there,
yep.
at Deluxe Circle at Church Street, where the camera's shaking from the winds there and even kind of breaking up a little bit. You see those kind of lines that were moving across that as that camera's breaking up. A lot of rain coming down. Cars are moving along that road there near the Walmart at Deluxe Circle in Upson County. This is in the Thomaston area where we see, there at Church Street, where we see that potential for that rotation that is moving through. And you see how the camera is shaking because of those winds that are blowing really hard now down in Upson County. So we'll come back here to our radar, and this is the area that we were talking about right down here at Thomaston, where we have that tornado warning that is still in effect for those areas on the south side. And the ones that we were watching in Thomaston were actually a little more impressive than what we were watching up in Newton, Morgan, and Madison counties there. I'm going to put this back to velocity mode. So we've got that going through. Let's look back at the shear again. Still that blue color indicating a little bit of that potential storm rotation that is pretty much to the east of Highway 19, a little bit to the east of Thomaston. If that would hold together, it would then move into Yatesville and Culloden. I think that this rotation would stay to the south of the Rock, which is in the northern part of Upson County. So that's that rotation moving into this direction that we'll keep an eye on to see if that holds together. And that's where we have this tornado warning that's in effect. Now that rotation is moving closer to the edge of this polygon. So we'll see if the National Weather Service is going to issue another warning over to the east there. And again, this is all, okay, they just did that. So this is the newest warning that just came in for Crawford County, Georgia, which is not our viewing area. Lamar County is our viewing area. It's just that small part of Lamar County. Monroe County, that's where Forsyth, Georgia is, north of Macon. If you're coming up Macon, you know, from either 475 or 75 and you drive through Forsyth, Georgia, not Forsyth the county, but Forsyth the city, that's in Monroe County. That county also belongs to the Macon viewing area. So our main concerns with this would be this still going through Upson County and clipping this little part of Lamar County right there, as those two are the counties that we are responsible for here in the Atlanta viewing area. So this is a brand new tornado warning for those counties on the south side. Again, the ones that we're mostly concerned with here in the Atlanta viewing area, Lamar County and also Upson County, as it looks like this rotation is holding together. We showed you that tower cam or that traffic camera there in Thomaston at Church Street near the Walmart, where that camera was blowing, shaking, moving because of those strong winds with it. Now